In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an Amazon gift card. Whether you have a physical card or a digital one, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can easily redeem and apply your gift card balance to your Amazon purchases. Let's dive into it. First things first, we need to redeem the gift card. If you have a physical gift card, you'll find the claim code on the back of the card. Usually, it's hidden under a scratch-off area to protect it until you're ready to use it. For those with electronic gift cards, the claim code is most often found in the email or text message you've received. It's usually near the top or highlighted to grab your attention. Next, you'll want to head over to the Amazon website. You can either navigate directly through your account settings or click on the link provided right in your email or text. This will take you to the redeem page. Once you're there, you'll see a space to enter your claim code. Go ahead and type in those characters carefully just as they appear. After that, click on the button that says Apply to your balance. Once this is done, your gift card balance will be added to your Amazon account. To double check, you can always go back to your account settings and view your gift card balance, ensuring everything is good to go. Now let's move on to actually using your gift card balance for purchases. Shop around as you normally would on Amazon, adding items to your cart until you're ready to check out. When you head to the checkout page, this is where the magic happens. Often, your gift card balance will be automatically applied to your order total, saving you a step. However, if for some reason your balance doesn't automatically appear, don't worry. There's an option to manually select it. Look for a section that mentions Use a gift card, voucher, or promo code. There, you'll be able to choose your gift card balance, applying it right there at checkout. But what if the gift card balance doesn't completely cover the cost of your purchase? No problem at all. You can easily combine payment methods. Just use the gift card for as much as it covers and then pay the remainder with a credit card or another payment option you have on file. And that's it. With these steps, you'll smoothly redeem and use your Amazon gift card to maximize your shopping experience. Happy shopping and enjoy the convenience of your gift card balance.